So we're going to be talking about why I don't use one of the most popular stockbrokers out there, and that broker is Robinhood. Why I don't use Robinhood for my main broker. And it's not because I have never used Robinhood, it's just Robinhood for me is not the best platform. So when you guys look up the top broker on the App Store, 99% of the time you will come across Robinhood. And the reason why it got so popular is because it offered something called commission-free trading, which at the time was groundbreaking. The reason why this was so popular is because before, if you wanted to buy or sell a stock, what you'd have to do is actually pay every time you bought and every time you sold. So a site like TD Ameritrade, also known as Thinkorswim, had a commission of about $6.95. So almost $7 every time you bought and every time you sold. So this pretty much wiped out investing for people that did not have a lot of capital. And not to mention, if you bought a stock and the stock went down, now you're losing money on the commission and the depreciation of the stock. So automatically, if you only invested $100, you would have to make a 14% return just to get your money back from the commission. And so Robinhood came out and they announced commission-free trading, which this is the reason why it's so popular, is because at the time, a whole bunch of younger people that were just getting started with investing could now invest their money but not have to worry about the cost of commission, which honestly, when I was 18, the first broker I signed up with was Robinhood. Not because it was the best, because one, on how it was commission free, and two, with how easy they make it to hop in that driver's seat and start investing. All you have to do is download an app, and then within 30 minutes you can buy your first stock, which is awesome, but on the flip side, it's not the greatest. And now another reason why I personally don't like Robinhood is because of their customer service. Personally, I've had a very, very difficult time with Robinhood's customer service, and I understand this was a couple of years ago when I used them, but as an 18-year-old that just starts investing and needs help, I found it very, very difficult to get a hold of them. And at the time, they didn't even have a phone number to call and ask questions about my account and stuff like that. So it's very, very difficult, but that could have changed now. Another reason why I don't like Robinhood is because they don't give you any education on their platform. A site like TD Ameritrade or Thinkorswim, you can log into your account and there is a whole course on investing, on options, on stocks, and it makes their customers more educated, which in the long run will make that site more money because the customer knows what they're doing and is more likely to make money to continue to invest, rather than somebody that doesn't know what they're doing, loses money, and just deletes the account. Another reason why I personally don't like it is because I found that for my type of investing, either swing trading or long-term investing, I found that their charts are not the greatest, right? They have very, very little research tools. You guys have a hard time drawing on the charts to mark out support, mark out resistance, and I just found it very, very difficult to do research on Robinhood. And there's no scanner to help you find stocks. Sites like Moomoo or TD Ameritrade or virtually a whole bunch of other ones offer all that stuff. So another reason why I personally don't like Robinhood is because Robinhood uses something called order flow. So this is how Robinhood makes money. Pretty much what it is anytime you buy, they will send that order to a hedge fund and they may make, a penny or 3 cents off of that trade, but they're doing this millions of times and that will add up to hundreds, if not millions of dollars over the course of the year. So that's how Robinhood makes money, and it's not direct access. Imagine you wanted to buy a stock. So there's really two types of orders. The first one is direct access. So meaning you click buy, it sends that order straight to the exchange, they buy it and they send it straight back. The second way is the way Robinhood makes money, through order flow. So imagine you bought a stock for $1. You click buy, it sends it to the hedge fund, which may have the stock for 99 cents. So they purchase that stock for 99 cents and they make that penny, and then they have to send that stock back to you. It's not the greatest for execution. To be quick, Robinhood is not the right way. So for people that are trying to day trade, swing trade, or trade in general, Robinhood is not gonna be the route to do so. Robinhood is more along the lines of, hey, I wanna start investing. I don't know how or where or anything like that. I just wanna get my feet wet. Robinhood is gonna be the way. But for people that want a long-term investment plan, people that wanna take investing more serious, I would recommend TD Ameritrade, M1 Finance, or Moomoo. All of these are fantastic for starting out because they have research tools, they have charts, they have something called pie investing, M1 Finance has. So imagine you wanted to buy a stock, but there was 5 stock you wanted to buy and you have $1. Instead of trying to buy each of those stock for $1 and now you had to invest $5, you could invest 25 cents or 20 cents into each stock, so you get the pool of stock for that single dollar. It's called pie investing and it's amazing for dividends and long-term investing because you can then just invest on a weekly basis into a pool of stocks. But overall, Robinhood is still a fantastic broker that for people that are just getting started. And if I was gonna rate it out of 5 stars, I probably would give it about a 2.5 out of 5. The reason why is because when I used it, very little in good customer support. It has not the greatest research and charts. And the third is execution. It's a very, very slow platform to use, but overall it's easy to use. It's definitely beginner friendly. But guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. We're changing it up. I tried to actually put some sort of wind microphone on here, so I do apologize if there is some wind noise. I am trying to make these videos more visually appealing for you guys. But that is it. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. We will see you guys later. Take care.